Hey guys, today I'm going to be making glow-in-the-dark slime again but this time it's green glow-in-the-dark slime. So gloopy, like the blue dark glow-in-the-dark slime. It began so gloopy. It's so hard to get this stuff off of me. Yes. The more magic liquid, the harder it gets. Oh my god, this thing sounds so weird. Off with my hand. Slime up. I need to add so much magic liquid to this for it to even harden. Now it's getting a little bit harder. Yay. This is the easiest slime that I have ever made. Oh, yeah. I have to get my hand out. This feels so much like tar. I have never touched tar, but I think this is how tar feels like. But only like a lot stronger and a little bit less glue. Bring it into
This one.
Guys, you remember this slime? We kept it in the closet for some time and it got all gloopy. I had to pour some magic liquid on it and for it to get hard. It's all stuck to my hand. Yes. Oh no! It got mixed. You can mix the slimes, but I just don't want to mix them right now. Roll it. This, and then 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 this. Oh, did I have it? You know, my curiosity. Okay, now we are going to mix the slime. Ah, gosh. This makes it double baked. And it makes it blue and green. We are going to need something bigger than this. Oh, yeah. That's one. That's two. That's three. Now, yeah. That's four. That's five. Let's see if it could fit. How much I can fit in this. Okay. Yes. This is the amount I can fit in one. And I think that one's going to be way smaller. Okay, here's one, and the other one. Nice and good. Whew. Look, got to the end of it. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.